When Hefist Digital to Solid receives a job, it applies transformations to the initially uploaded file to produce the ready-to-print output file. It involves cropping, rotation, image size, and, in some cases, color management. Sometimes you may want to see the original or source file that a client uploaded while creating the order. So, if you want to get it, proceed to the desired order and click on it. Then, click on the Activity button. The system shows you all processes connected with the selected order. Open the process you want. Click on the Download button. Click on the Source Files button. Wait until the system creates the zip with your source files. Open the process when it's finished and download your zipped source file. If the order is big, Hefist creates several zip files, and you can download the order in parts.